Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. We are here at Universal Studios, and today, my friends, is the very last day of operation for Shrek 4D. Another long-standing attraction over here at Universal Studios is going away soon, rumored to be replaced by a brand new Minions-themed attraction. That's just the rumor, but we are here today to say goodbye and take one final ride on Shrek 4D. I hope you guys are excited. It's going to be a very exciting video, going to be a very interesting video because it's been a long time since I've done an attraction closure, so buckle up guys, it's going to be fun. The park does close in just under 2 hours, so you can see a lot of guests are already making their way out of the park. But meanwhile, me and a bunch of other hardcore Shrek fans are heading on into the park. And this is why we are here, ladies and gentlemen. Just under 2 hours left in its lifespan, and Shrek 4D is only a 20-minute wait. You can tell that they are pumping guests through today. They have both theaters open, so they are not taking any chances. They are getting people through. I'm actually very surprised it's only a 20-minute wait and not anything longer. So it is currently 5:30 in the afternoon or evening right now, however you guys want to put it, and the park closes at 7. Even though it's a 20-minute wait right now, I don't expect that to last. As we get closer and closer to 7 o'clock, I expect that people are going to start forming a crowd out front of the entrance of Shrek 4D in hopes of trying to be one of the last groups into Shrek 4D to ever experience the attraction before it closes forever. As I pointed out in my last Universal Studios video, Revenge of the Mummy was set to close for a very lengthy refurbishment. We don't even know when exactly this attraction is going to come back open. Universal projected late summer of 2022, and as you guys can see, construction walls all the way around the attraction, so no getting in, no getting out, and the whole attraction is getting a complete redo with rumored retracking and story elements being replaced and changed. Alright, so while we are waiting to experience Shrek 4D for the first and last time, we're gonna go ahead and get some food. I decided to go with the bratwurst, grilled bratwurst topped with mustard aioli and caramelized onion, and I decided to get a bottle of water with it too. Don't forget to use your AP discount because a lot of places around here compared to Disney accept your AP discount. So here's a quick look, I know it's kind of dark, at the bratwurst with the caramelized onions, and it comes with chips and in a little bit of a bun. It looks really good. I'm excited.
What's up?
Hi, Donkey.
How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm all right. Hanging out. Who are you?
My name is Adrian.
Hey, Adrian. What's going on?
Nothing much. Fun fact, I've actually never done Shrek 4D before. Never. And this is going to be my first time doing it.
Oh, okay. I was finna say, I was waiting on that. I was waiting on that because I was going to be capital offended. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why have you never done Shrek 4D?
So, because of a certain other 4D attraction at another park that's run by a mouse, I have been scarred for life as a child. So I've always had a deep-rooted fear of 4D attractions. So I figured today being the last day, I might as well break that fear and experience yours.
Which ride traumatized you, sir?
Okay, I wasn't gonna name drop it, but it's tough to be a bug.
Yeah, that's a terrible ride. That is a terrible ride. Anyway, did you work there?
No, I didn't. I was just dragged on it as a child, and I was traumatized.
And it traumatized you.
Yep.
I can imagine. But Shrek 4D ain't that bad. You should be all right.
Yeah.
I mean, besides the fact where they allow me to sneeze on people during the Megatron variant, I don't know if that's... I mean, that didn't age well. That didn't age well at all. But you know what? That's probably why it's closing down. Anyway, you want to take a picture?
Absolutely. And take a look at this. We are about 20 minutes until park close, and this is the group of people waiting to get into Shrek 4D, hoping to be the very last group of people.
So much to do, so much to see, so what's wrong with taking the basket? What? Never done anything else. Yeah, hang out, you're a rock star. Get the game on, go. Hang out, you're a rock star. Go on, yeah, play all that glitter with gold. All the shooting stars break the mold.
So this is very interesting. It's showing as a delay right now. I think they have closed off the line for now, and all the people that are out here currently are waiting to be in the very last theater. Okay, so I didn't mention this earlier, but I am not here alone. We are here with some friends. We have Jackie, super enthused, who is jamming out with the crowd, who has broke into spontaneous song, and we are also here with Sam from Expedition Theme Park. How's it going, man?
Good. It's exciting, right?
It's very exciting. I'm so happy to be here. This has just turned into one big party. I know. I got worried for a second. There was no one here, short lines.
Why is there no height?
I know.
Now there is appropriate height.
I can only imagine how this looks to a regular day guest who has no idea what the heck is going on. Just a massive crowd of people in front of Shrek.
People keep asking, what's going on here? And Sam's like explaining it to them.
What is going on? All right, heading on into Shrek 4D for the first time and the last time. I feel like I'm about to walk into case files. We got Shrek and Fiona over here. What in the world? I wonder if anyone in this line knows the Muffin Man. Heading on in. This is legit my first experience. All right, my first time grabbing green glasses. Oh my gosh.
Okay, on the Dungeon Can, that's a generator sub Gingy and White Pie Gingy. Huh. Oh, that's right, came right back. We forgot the non-stick spray this morning.
What's going on? You're looking rather pale. Of course I am. I'm a ghost, you fool. Now for the last time, tell me where she is. My batteries are low, my lord. I can't see further than the past at the present. What about your little friend? Is he ready to talk? Tell me where that repulsive green monstrosity has taken my Fiona. Where are they?
Hey guys, that's coming to my TED Talk, guys. McWayne, enjoy the show. Hey, if you enjoy my show today, my name is Jimmy and I'm from Pennsylvania. If you haven't enjoyed my show today, my name is Chris, I'm from Orlando.
Shrek is life! Shrek is love! Shrek is life! Shrek is love!
Why are we changing? Are we closing or something?
I don't think I'm ready for this.
You are not ready.
I don't think I'm ready for this.
Okay, friends. If you need stationary seating, it's going to be row 1, every other seat. Those and 2. Everybody, sit back, relax, and enjoy Shrek 4D!
Oh, Jesus. Oh, God.
To the carriage!
Oh, God. Okay. Oh, my God. Why am I jiggling so much? What is happening? Oh, my God.
Oh no!
Getting the willies, the camels, the shakes, the heavies. Stop messing with me, Shrek!
Oh no!
You might as well stop struggling, princess.
Okay, that was unnecessary.
Congratulations, prisoners! Thank you so much for joining us here at Shrek 4D.
And that's it. That's it. It's closed.
I can't believe it! We will never get to do this again!
What if I want to do it again? I liked it.
You can't!
Why did I wait so long to do this?
I don't know!
Oh my God. We weren't exactly the last ones because there's another group coming in, but we were one of the last. So how awesome is this, everybody? They told us that we could keep the 3D glasses as kind of like a last day souvenir, last show souvenir. That is phenomenal. I am so happy that we got to keep these.
Yeah, that's freaking cool. That is cool.
It's great. This is also going to be our very last time looking at this Duloc themed gift shop that is just full of other DreamWorks merchandise from other DreamWorks properties. But still, like all the little Shrek themed touches, like the blind mice over there, and what is this? Like you got Pinocchio and Thelonious right there. All the other little Shrek touches are going to be going away until who knows how long. Jackie pointed out these mugs say Shrek 4D, so you know what? We're grabbing them. You know, I wonder if we're going to see stuff like this or like this inside the prop shop very soon. I'm very curious. People need to keep their eye out over the next like week or so as they're starting to demo Shrek 4D. Keep an eye out for little things like this. I cannot believe it took me this long to ever bring up the courage to experience Shrek 4D. This was my first time and unfortunately my last. And I'm very sad that I will never get to experience again after this was just my first time experiencing it. But it was so much fun. It was so much fun. I would compare, the hype in that theater was similar to Endgame or like Spider-Man No Way Home. Everyone was applauding with every character that came on screen, with everything that happened. Everyone knew the words. It was a phenomenal experience and it was so much fun. I don't regret it. I don't regret coming out here and experiencing this. This was so much fun. They're letting us back into the theater. This is like our last look at the theater. We could definitely be one of the last ones here. You can see everyone taking pictures up by the screen. I will say the theater was a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be.
It's really small.
Yeah, I was expecting it to be a little bit bigger. But it's still very cool. All right, I think at this point we are definitely one of the last ones in the theater. Thank you very much. Thank you guys. All right, we got kicked out of the theater because they are doing one final show, but for team members. Absolutely phenomenal. I love that they get one final showing, so they are the true last ones in the theater. We don't deserve it. They deserve it all to themselves. That is amazing. And with that, we are one of the last ones inside Universal Studios. You can see down there, it is completely empty. Not my first time closing down the park by any means, but it's still really, really cool to see the park almost empty, which you don't get to see very often. And with that, we bid adieu to Shrek 4D. So before I head on out, I just want to give a huge thank you to Sam and Jackie for hanging out with me tonight. I was here at the park by myself, so I really appreciate them taking the time to hang out with me and letting me third wheel on this experience. It was a lot of fun, and I know that I would not have had as much fun today without them as I would have by myself.
Had a great first time on
Yeah,
absolutely. I had a lot of fun, so thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
anytime.
Man, pleasure, yeah.
And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we have closing down Universal Studios and we have given our final farewell to Shrek 4D. Again, we don't know exactly what is going to be replacing Shrek 4D in that space, but again, rumors are pointing to a brand new Minions attraction. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. This was a very fun experience, and I hope to do more videos like this in the future where we close down attractions at theme parks, because it's an experience. It's an experience, and I think the last attraction, the last major attraction that I closed down was the Great Movie Ride, and that was very early on in the channel. Thank you guys once again so much for watching today's video. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, then please make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video like this in the future. I hope you are all having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, evening, and I'll see you guys in the next video.